Well, Happy New Year's, y'all. The holidays, thankfully, are wrapping up. I'm ready to get started with a brand new year, and the end of the year is a great time to get a brand new drink. I'm back with my man T-Mox, who's going to help us out with what we're doing today is a Smokey Old Fashioned. A lot like myself. Go ahead, Troy.
All right, so this is another of our couple favorites. So we're going to use our Old Smokey Peach Whiskey. It's going to give it a really good flavor. We want this drink to be, definitely taste the bourbon. You definitely want to taste the whiskey in an old fashioned, but we want it to be something that everybody wants to come in here and drink. So this is going to be very peachy. It's going to be a good and sweet drink for everybody. So first thing we're going to do is take one of our brown sugar cubes. You can also make this with just regular brown sugar. It's a little bit more than a teaspoon here. It's just enough of that sweetness to cut that liquor.
Yeah, Mama would put 2 of those in there. And did you know that Georgia is the peach state?
Oh, yeah.
An appropriate whiskey for us today.
All right, and we have our peach bitters. You don't have to use peach. You could just use regular bitters, but we want that peachy flavor so all of our guests enjoy it. So we're just going to do a couple dashes of that. And take just a little bit of water. You don't want anything too cold, but you want something to help dissolve the sugar.
That's a lot of sugar.
It is.
So this is a really sweet drink. I haven't had an old fashioned before.
It is.
So what do you know about old fashions? Is it an old school kind of drink? Is it what the old guys used to drink, like in the 40s and 50s? Was this like yesteryear's Cosmopolitan or something?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and it's
actually,
always
and it's
made
made
with
a
whiskey?
huge resurgence. It's always been made with bourbon, and it's made a huge resurgence in the
sweet
last
bourbon.
few years.
Yeah.
It's very similar. A Manhattan's usually served up, but this old fashioned, we're going to serve it with just a little bit of ice. So we have that good and dissolved. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want just a little bit of graininess in there to give it some character. We're going to fill our glass with just a little bit of ice. And then we got 2 cherries just because you got to have a little bit of that good color in that drink.
Yeah, just like food. Color and texture.
So we're going to take 2 ounces of our peach whiskey. Pour is just a little bit fun. All right. So we're going to smoke this drink just to give it some character and some wow. If you want to do it just like this at home, you're more than welcome to. You want to stir it until it's good and chilled. It doesn't have to be super duper chilled. All right. So we got a nice little smoker here. Teresa got us going with this. You can buy these on Amazon, buy one at home. They have smaller versions. But we want something that's definitely going to wow our guests.
This is another big trend that people are smoking their bourbon drinks.
And so we just took one of our coasters we have for sale in our retail store. Of course, cheers, y'all.
Look how pretty.
Wow. Isn't that cool?
So when we bring it out to our guests, we're going to pull that right off the top. It's just going to...
Oh, that's cool.
Very cool. So what does the smoke do? It adds the wood chippy flavor
Well,
to
your
the
bourbon's
liquid.
already going to have a little bit of that, but this is just going to enhance it a lot more. So it really just looks good.
Yeah, it really does look good. I love how it's holding in there too.
As soon as you get in there and take a good whiff, I would definitely suggest let it sit for a minute, let it mature. But if you want to just either try with a straw or take it straight to the head, whatever.
And you had some peaches to... Didn't you have some peaches to...
Yeah, I do. You can also add peaches. We did some frozen ones just to give it a little bit more of that peach flavor and also not water it down as much. You can really substitute the ice completely with frozen peaches if that's what you really want to do, but it's going to make it so much more sweet.
Well, I'm here to take one for the team, so this will be my last drink of this year. Do I drink it?
Yeah.
Call me old-fashioned, but I love it. Thank you, Troy. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Lady and Sons Bar. We'll see y'all around the kitchen. It's good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.